Hello everyone, welcome to our channel OSS Properties Property Talk. My name is John C. and today we are going to talk about one of the exciting new projects that are coming up in Hinjawadi Phase 3 area by none other than Gera. जी हाँ, हिंजवाड़ी फेज 3 एक बड़ा ही इंटरेस्टिंग सा लोकेशन है बिकॉज आप जानते हैं कि फेज 1 और फेज 2 में काफ़ी डेवलपमेंट हो चुका है. वहाँ पर बहुत सारे आईटी हब्स आईटी कंपनीज ऑलरेडी हैं. इट्स अ प्रॉपर आईटी हब. तो अब जो डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है पुणे के हिंजवाड़ी एरिया में दैट इज इन फेज 3 और यहाँ पर आ रहा है गेरा का एक बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग प्रोजेक्ट हिंजवाड़ी हाईलैंड्स. सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट व्हाट दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज ऑल अबाउट. यहाँ पर क्या क्या आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो, व्हाट आर द वेरियस ऑफरिंग्स फ्रॉम गेरा, और इसके साथ ही लेट अस डू सम डीप डाइविंग अबाउट राइट फ्रॉम द लोकेशन टू व्हाट्स सो यूनिक अबाउट दिस प्रॉपर्टी. मतलब अगर आप यहाँ पे खरीदना चाहते हो तो ये यहाँ पर क्यों आपको या तो एज ए एंड यूज के लिए खरीदना चाहिए या फिर एज एन इन्वेस्टमेंट पर्पस आपको ये प्रॉपर्टी खरीदनी चाहिए. सो लेट अस डीप डाइव इनटू ईच वन ऑफ दोस कॉजेस. बट बिफोर आई move any further, let me introduce you to the project. What exactly this project is? तो चलिए सबसे पहले बात करते हैं इसके लोकेशन के बारे में. So basically what this project has to give you is an unparalleled ease of commute, which basically means अगर आप हिंजवाड़ी फेज 1 में रहते हैं, फेज 2 में रहते हैं या कहीं और रहते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल बानेर, बालेवाड़ी, औंध, ऐसे किसी जगह पे रहते हैं, तो commute to this place is I won't call it extremely easy, but much better than the commute otherwise what you would face. Now the point being, अगर आप distant part of पुणे से आते हो हिंजवाड़ी में तो आपने देखा होगा कि यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक रहता है, especially during peak hours like the morning hours when you go to office या फिर शाम को जब आप वापस घर जाते हो. तो this place offers extreme traffic conditions. So you know what I'm talking about if you are working professional in this area. So a project of Gera in Hinjawadi Phase 3 can take your woes out of all the traffic that you would otherwise face. So this is one of a very, very ideal location when it comes to traffic. It doesn't end there. The project is located such that there is going to be a metro project that is coming up in the nearby vicinity, and it's going to be in probably the walking distance that you can think of. And the project is located such that it is exactly in phase 3, just at a very short distance from the upcoming metro station. तो अगर आप पुणे के किसी भी एरिया से कम्यूट कर रहे हो या फिर आपको कहीं यहाँ से अगर लेट्स से आप हिंजवाड़ी में रहते हो, आपको किसी भी पुणे के और पार्ट में जाना है, सो दिस place offers a very good connectivity to every part of Pune through its metro. Obviously आप by road भी जा सकते हो, but metro का connectivity will ensure that you reach Aundh within 10 to 15 minutes, you reach Baner Balewadi within 10 to 15 minutes, शिवाजी नगर जाना हो तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 20 मिनट का commute you can expect. So that is basically what this place has to offer. Now, the most important aspect being the connectivity to the Mumbai-Pune Expressway and other IT companies from here. So if you see, it is within few kilometers range from, let's say, companies like TCS, Wipro, Infosys. So all those places are like in the nearby vicinity. And if you want to head towards Mumbai, then the connectivity to Mumbai-Pune Expressway is just nearby. आप within few minutes आप Mumbai-Pune Expressway पहुंच सकते हो. आपको मुंबई जाना है, आप मुंबई जा सकते हो बहुत ही जल्दी, bypassing a good part of the city traffic. आपको शोलापुर जाना है या बैंगलोर साइड कहीं और जाना है तो आप वहाँ भी जा सकते हो, बिकॉज यू कैन टच द हाईवे वेरी वेरी सून फ्रॉम देयर. और जैसे मैंने बताया कि अगर आप मेट्रो के थ्रू जाना चाहते हो तो दैट इज लाइक द फास्टेस्ट पॉसिबल कम्यूट. सो बेसिकली दिस location actually offers a good proximity to the major IT hubs. It does not end there. There are various other things like the schools, the hospitals. They are all in a very nearby vicinity. मतलब few kilometers के अंदर, in less than 5 kilometer radius में आपको सब मिलेगा. आपको malls मिलेंगे, आपको multiplexes मिलेंगे, आपको IT hubs मिलेंगे यहाँ से, आपको हॉस्पिटल्स मिलेंगे नियर बाय जोन्स में. सो प्रैक्टिकली देयर एवरीथिंग दैट यू कैन थिंक ऑफ और वट एवर एक्सपेक्टेशंस यू हैव फ्रॉम अ रेजिडेंशियल प्रोजेक्ट, ये सब यहाँ पर आपके लिए अवेलेबल है. सो दिस इज व्हाट गेरास हिंजवाड़ी हाईलैंड हैज टू ऑफर यू इन टर्म्स ऑफ अ रेजिडेंशियल प्रोजेक्ट. तो चलिए अब बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट क्या आपको ऑफर करता है, क्या वहाँ पर फैसिलिटीज है, एमिनिटीज है, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर दैट यू will get if you book a house here. So सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको बता दूं कि जो लैंड पार्सल है it is spread over 10.7 acres. जी हाँ, that's a good amount of land parcel for a project like this. Now it doesn't end there. It has 7 towers with each tower having 33 floors in it. Now the most interesting part is यहाँ पर nearly 1,50,000 square feet का जो area है that is kept for open amenity. So basically यहाँ पर बहुत सारे amenities हैं. Rather there are 40 plus amenities और 1,50,000 square feet का open area है. उसमें भी आपको बता दूं कि एक 35,000 square feet का क्लब हाउस है जो इस प्रोजेक्ट में आने वाला है. And I'm sure this clubhouse is good enough and the amenities are good enough for you to have a lifestyle which accommodates most of your interests, be it the social part of life or be it the personal aspect of life. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to dig into each one of these amenities and what exactly they offer and how it is structured around Gera's theme of child-centric home. इन्वेंट्री के बारे में अगर बात करें तो यहाँ पर 2 BHK और 3 BHK इस वक्त अवेलेबल है और 2 BHK starting from 753 square feet and 3 BHK going all the way up to 1218 square feet carpet area. इसमें भी there are 3 varieties which is basically 2 BHK, Grand, Royal and then Duplex. It's the same with 3 BHK, Grand, Royal and Duplex. तो इस वक्त आप इनमें से कोई भी जो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है वो आप बुक कर सकते हैं. As I said, starting from 753 square feet which is 2 BHK, ranging from 1218 square feet in 3 BHK duplex. Amenities में आप most of the amenities जो आजकल एक हाउसिंग सोसाइटी में होता है, you can expect all those and much more. और इस एमिनिटी के पीछे एक सर्टन थीम है जो मैं आपको बताता हूँ. बेसिकली गेरा's child-centric home, as I said, is something that they wish to promote. And all the amenities are designed around this concept, right from the indoor swimming pool to the badminton court, squash court, go-karting track, and plus आपको अगर कुछ छोटी मोटी शॉपिंग करनी हो तो ग्रोसरी स्टोर्स, मेडिकल स्टोर्स, all those facilities that you can expect from a housing complex today, everything is there as a part of this amenity. It doesn't end there. All units are designed such that they are corner units with utmost concern for privacy, open on both sides. Addition to this, you can expect something like AC in all rooms, Margonite tiles, fully equipped kitchen. तो चलिए अब बात करते हैं Gera's child-centric home. So when you say child-centric home, it is not just about the fact that एक बच्चे के लिए आपने घर बनाया. इन्होंने बच्चे के लिए, एक बच्चों के ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट के लिए, उनके लर्निंग के लिए, उनकी सेफ्टी और सिक्योरिटी को ध्यान में रखते हुए, उनके कन्वीनियंस को ध्यान में रखते हुए इन्होंने एक ऐसा कंसेप्ट बनाया है. So they like to call it child-centric home, which is the theme of this particular project. So when I say child-centric home, the overall effort that Gera has taken starts from within the home. अगर आप देखो तो घर में बहुत कम आपको ऐसे edges मिलेंगे और most of it is going to be rounded corners so that to minimize the risk whenever there is a movement of a child within the home. आपने शायद देखा होगा कि बच्चे जब घर में घूमते हैं बहुत मस्ती करते हैं तो ऐसे सिचुएशन में कई बार जो कॉर्नर्स होते हैं कई बार वो काफ़ी शार्प होते हैं, शार्प एजेस होते हैं. सो दोज थिंग्स आर टेकन केयर ऑफ. सो इनसाइड the walls you won't see too much of sharp edges there. So this is one aspect of it, but it doesn't end there. That is just the beginning. So let's talk about once outside the home. Usually क्या होता है कि as a parent you wish that your child acquires multiple skills over a period of time. आपको लगता है कि आपका जो बच्चा है वो बहुत सारे स्पोर्ट्स में या फिर एडिशनल जो एक्टिविटीज़ होते हैं, को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ होते हैं उसमें थोड़ा सा एक्सेल करें. सो ये हर माँ बाप की इच्छा है. तो ऐसे सिचुएशन में व्हाट गेरा हैज़ टू ऑफर इज बेसिकली द कंसेप्ट ऑफ लर्निंग एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द चाइल्ड. नाउ अगर हम सेफ्टी की बात करते हैं तो उसके बारे में भी मैं बात करता हूँ. तो सेफ्टी में भी इन्होंने दे हैव पार्टनर्ड विद टेक कंपनीज फॉर द ओवरऑल सेफ्टी ऑफ द चाइल्ड, wherein there is this GPS enabled system that they're coming up with within the apartment complex. There is geotagging. For example, if your kid is moving anywhere within the apartment complex or going outside it, your kid can be tracked using the technology, and Gera has partnered with tech companies for that. Now comes the most important aspect of the learning and development part. Now, as a parent, you wish your child acquires multiple skills over a period of time and excel in sports at times, right? तो ये सारी इच्छाएं होती हैं हर माँ बाप की. Now the best part being Gera's Hinjawadi Highland project offers this concept of learning and development as a part of the theme child centric homes. So what Gera has done is they've partnered with some of the most prominent academies within India for the development of the child. So let me take some names on this one. So basically, when it comes to sports, they have tied up with Mary Kom Academy. For boxing, they've tied up with the Rohit Sharma Academy. For cricket, they have tied up with Pulela Gopichand for badminton and the likes. Or when it comes to performing arts, they have tied up with Shankar Mahadevan for the music, Shaimak Dawar for dance. और इस तरह के कई सारे टाइप्स और एकेडमीज हैं जो इस प्रीमाइस में चलते रहेंगे. So which will ensure that your kids are exposed to the overall development that one can get. Most importantly, within the premise, आपको आपके बच्चे को कहीं और भेजने की शायद ज़रूरत ना पड़े, because they're going to get the best of the training here, which basically means आपका बच्चा जो है for the most part they will be within the premises, and occasionally they might be going out obviously for schools, colleges and things like that, but for the most part their good part of their time will be spent within the premises, because उतनी सारी facilities है यहाँ पर जो आपको शायद मजबूर कर देगी कि आप इस जगह को छोड़ करके कहीं और ना जाए. तो चलिए खुद मिस्टर पुलेला गोपीचंद जी से सुनते हैं कि what exactly he has to say about Gera's child-centric homes.
I am thrilled to be part of Gera's child-centric homes. These child-centric homes are game changers in many ways. Children till now have never had such great facilities in coaching so close to home, and for such wide range of sports and performing arts. All of you watch, you're holding the racket like this. Okay? My academy, specifically the Badminton Gurukul, has always trained champions not only in sport but in life.
इसके अलावा अगर आपको लगता है कि आप अपने बच्चों को या फैमिली को सफिशिएंट टाइम नहीं दे पा रहे हैं, तो ऐसी एमिनिटीज है यहाँ पर कि आप बस वहाँ पहुँच जाओ and then you also become a kid. So child centric home का मतलब ये नहीं है कि it's just for the child. It is also for the child within you. So it is very important for that to understand कि कई बार ऐसा होता है कि आपके अंदर भी एक बचपना होता है, आपके अंदर भी एक बच्चा होता है. उस बच्चे को बाहर निकालने के लिए कई बार ऐसे एक इकोसिस्टम की जरूरत पड़ती है. And that's exactly the ecosystem that Gera is providing you. So you can be a child with your child because there are enough amenities. For example, my personal favorite one being the go-karting track. And let me tell you about this go-karting track. This is an eco-friendly go-karting track. Basically, these go-kart vehicles are electric go-kart vehicles with practically very less noise pollution and zero emissions for that matter. So you can go and enjoy the weekend, or be it a Saturday or a Sunday. बस आप गो कार्टिंग ट्रैक में चले जाओ अपने बच्चे के साथ, and then you become a child and enjoy the rest of the day with them. And that's just one amenity that I'm talking about. As I said, there are 40 plus amenities that this project has to offer. So I'm very confident that the child within you is definitely going to come out in this particular project. अगर आप एक IT प्रोफेशनल हो जो हिंजवड़ी में काम करते हो, तो आपको ये प्रोजेक्ट क्यों पसंद आएगा या फिर यहाँ पर आपको क्यों घर लेना चाहिए. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दैट. आप काम करते हो हिंजवड़ी में, कई बार हो सकता है कि शायद आप हिंजवड़ी से बाहर कम्यूट करते हो, तो मैंने आपको पहले ही बता दिया कि जो कम्यूट है वो commute can be easily reduced once you are in Hinjawadi Phase 3, a part of the GERA project. आपका जो hours का जो commute है, आपको कई बार 1 से 2 घंटा लग जाता है, depending on which part of the city you come from. That can be significantly reduced to few minutes. और अगर आपको सिटी में जाना हो तो एज आई सेड commute is again easy via the metro as and when it comes up. So the metro will have a very easy connectivity, and by the time you get a position of this out, the metro will also be ready, it is expected. अब बात करते हैं कि इसके अलावा what exactly the GERA project has to offer. Now, as an IT professional, many a times it so happens कि you are working in a hybrid model, जहाँ पे there is work from home, there is at times work from office. So, कई बार ये भी होता है कि work from home में हो सकता है कि कई बार you are not able to concentrate enough on your work due to the disturbances around. So, इस problem को solve करने के लिए GERA has something like a co-working space which is within the same premise. तो वो co-working space को आप यूटिलाइज कर सकते हो. मतलब बेसिकली आप घर से बस कुछ ही फ्यू मिनट्स का वॉक है, अगर आप वहां तक पहुंचते हो तो दैट्स योर co-working space. You don't need to go anywhere, you don't need to leave the premises, and you actually get into your virtual office. तो एक तो आपका commute बच गया, दूसरा जो है आपका वर्क फ्रॉम होम का एक बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गया. तीसरा, when you are working in the office or at home, the technology that GERA is providing, the child-centric feature as well as the safety security measures that GERA has taken for your kids, for your entire family, will ensure that your kids, the rest of your family members are safe within the apartment complex. Doesn't matter whether you are in office or your physical office or in virtual office. Your kids especially will be safe and sound within the premises, and you don't need to be in proximity to them all the time. That is physical proximity to them all the time. But you have enough wherewithal and means to ensure their safety and well-being. So these are the reasons. This is what GERA brings for IT professionals working especially in Hinjawadi. So let's talk about investing in this particular project. If you are a pure play investor and if you expect high return on your investment, हो सकता है आप एंड यूजर हो सकता है आप सिर्फ बस इसमें पैसा डाल करके अपना पैसा निकालना चाहते हो. So let me tell you, if you belong to the category of investors, this is one of the best investment that Pune has to offer as of today. So reason being, one, हिंजवाड़ी फेज 3. अगर आपको पता हो तो हिंजवाड़ी फेज 1, फेज 2 काफी हद तक सैचुरेट हो चुका है. वन ऑफ द बिग प्रॉब्लम विद फेज 1 एंड फेज 2 इज इट इज मोस्टली इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया, versus phase 3 is a mix of industrial as well as residential area. A good part of the residential area is coming up in phase 3. So this place is only going to grow from here because phase 3 का अभी तक saturation point आया नहीं है. So a lot of development in the near future you can expect in phase 3, which also means there's a lot of scope for appreciation. Now, if you are an investor, then you know that किसी भी investment में, especially when it comes to real estate, अगर आपको जाना हो, so the best time to start the investment is when the project just commences. And today, therefore, is the best time to invest in a project like this. So next 3 to 4 years में आपको जो appreciation मिलेगा, it will be a very good appreciation that one can expect from a real estate project. So basically, location being the number one reason. Let me tell you, apart from this, the trust that the brand GERA brings. There's the reason why Mr. Amitabh Bachchan is the brand ambassador, because Amitabh Bachchan actually stands for trust, right? So जब वो एक ब्रांड को प्रमोट करते हैं तो एक हमें लगता है कि चलो इस ब्रांड में कुछ तो दम है. Not just दम in terms of what they have to offer, but also in terms of the fact that ये ब्रांड मुझे कभी मेरे इन्वेस्टमेंट को कभी डूबने नहीं देगा, ये मुझे कभी चीट नहीं करेगा. सो दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ ट्रस्ट दैट दिस पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड GERA ब्रिंग्स. तो चलिए, खुद GERA के जो ब्रांड एम्बेसडर है मिस्टर अमिताभ बच्चन जी, जिनका मैं बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ, आई एम श्योर आप भी होंगे, उनसे सुनते हैं कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज चाइल्ड सेंट्रिक होम और वो कैसे आपके लाइफ में वैल्यू ऐड करता है.
बच्चों के करियर ड्रीम्स, आज यहाँ कल वहाँ, कभी सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर तो कभी डांसर, आज फुटबॉल स्टार तो कल डॉक्टर. मगर यहाँ GERA के चाइल्ड सेंट्रिक होम्स में किस्सा बन जाता है कुछ खास. GERA, जहां आपके बच्चे एक्सप्लोर करेंगे उनके फ्यूचर के लिए ढेरों ऑप्शंस.
on top of that, what this project has to offer in terms of the child-centric homes and the amenities, ये बहुत ही unparalleled है. This is something that is not available in most projects out there. So these are the few reasons why for which you should be actually investing in this particular project. इसके अलावा भी let me tell you there are a lot of other things which is like behind the scenes that Gera does. I had an opportunity to interact with the team who's like the thought process behind this project. क्या मैंने उनसे कई सवाल भी पूछे कि ये प्रोजेक्ट के बीच में के पीछे आपका थॉट प्रोसेस क्या है, तो मुझे ये समझ में आया कि ऐसी बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, ऐसी बहुत सारे बिहाइंड द सीन्स एक्टिविटीज है. फॉर एग्जांपल द वे दे ट्रैक द प्रोजेक्ट्स, द काइंड ऑफ टीम दैट इज बिहाइंड, द काइंड ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी दैट दे यूज for project tracking, project overall development, the kind of vendor management and all those things that they have, the kind of construction quality that they offer, a lot of technical discussions that I had with them, which if I get into it will be a very very lengthy content. So therefore I'm just trying to tell you कि वो बड़ा ही meticulously planned है. Everything is like meticulously planned by Team Gera, and therefore this project will definitely reach its conclusion. It will deliver everything that is being promised by the brand Gera, and these are the few reasons why you should be investing in this particular project. अगर आप एक end user हैं, an IT professional working in Hinjawadi, or if you are an investor, or if you are a family who is looking for a child-centric home, Gera is basically a complete package for you. So यहाँ पर आपको वो सब मिलेगा जो आप एक घर से एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो. Now the most important part being, ये तो मैंने आपको बहुत जितना मैं बता सकता था मैंने बता दिया, but we have much more information than this about this project. If you want to talk to me or one of my team members, you have our number on the screen. You have we will also share the QR code. You can scan the QR code and you can directly send me or my team members a WhatsApp message asking for more information about this project, and we will be more than happy to cater to your questions in and around this project. So all I am expecting is this is one of the best in Pune right now. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको इसमें इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए, फिर भी आपके कुछ क्वेरीज है, तो we are available to answer all your queries. So with that, I hope you get what you expect from this particular video, and most importantly, in case if you are planning to purchase a home in Gera's Hinjawadi Highland, wishing you all the good luck. Once again, this is John C from OSS Properties Property Talk. You all have a good time. Bye.